Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur Scarlett House of Languages. Today we are talking about the futur proche or the near future tense in French. Want to say things like I'm going to eat, she's going to travel, or we are going to learn French? Then this lesson is for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use le futur proche in real conversation. So stay with me till the end. Let's get started. What is le futur proche? Le futur proche literally means the near future. It is used to talk about things that will happen very soon or that are already planned. For example, je vais manger une pizza. I'm going to eat a pizza. Nous allons voyager en France. We are going to travel to France. See, it's just like saying going to in English. So now how to form le futur proche? So creating sentences in le futur proche is super easy. You just have to follow this formula. Subject plus conjugation of alle verb plus infinitive form of the main verb. Infinitive form means unconjugated form of the verb. So now let's break it down. Step number 1. Conjugate alle verb in the present tense. Conjugation is like this. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Step number 2. We'll have to add the infinitive form of the verb. For example, je vais regarder un film. In this, je is your subject, vais is the conjugation of alle verb in present, regarder is infinitive form of the verb. Un film is the object. Then tu vas apprendre le français. You are going to learn French. Elle va rencontrer ses amis. She is going to meet her friends. So here are some very common mistakes that you'll have to avoid. First one, forgetting to conjugate alle verb. Like if you are writing je allais manger, that will be wrong. Correct will be je vais manger. Second mistake, changing the second verb. Nous allons voyager en été. That will be wrong because you will have to use the infinitive form of your main verb. So it will be nous allons voyager en été. Next mistake, using le futur proche for distant future. Example, en 2050, nous allons habiter sur Mars. That's wrong. En 2050, nous habiterons sur Mars. Because in this one, you can't use futur proche. You will have to use futur simple. When to use le futur proche? For planned actions. For example, je vais aller au cinéma ce soir. I'm going to the cinema tonight. For predictions based on the present, regarde le ciel, il va pleuvoir. Look at the sky, it's going to rain. For informal speech, tu vas réussir ton examen. You are going to pass your exam. Again, you are going to. Now it's your turn. Try completing these sentences in the comments. Write your answers below and I'll check them. And that's it. Now you know how to use le futur proche like a pro. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Scarlett House of Languages for more fun French lessons.